How to change your Spotify playlist picture on iPhone. Now that's what I'm going to show you guys in this video. So it's actually pretty easy to do, and they have finally, maybe for a while already, changed it that you can actually do it in the app, because you used to be able to not do it in the app but only on PC. So what you want to do is just go to any playlist you own. I'm going to go to this very old playlist of mine, and I'm going to click on the three dots right here in the middle. Now here I'm going to click on edit, and here you can edit all the songs, but you can also change the name, the description, and the image. So all you basically got to do is click on change image, then choose from library, and then you can choose any image you want in your gallery or in your photos app. So that is super easy to do. Like I said, normally, from a while back, you wouldn't be able to do that on phone, but now you can. So that's actually really nice. I hope this quick video helped you out. Please leave a like and let me know in the comments if it worked. I'll see you next time. Have a good day.